Future chefs of the Twin Cities, Chef Ja here. Today I'm going to show you a recipe. We're going to make an apple pecan chicken salad. All right, I have all my ingredients prepared. Make sure before anything you can like, comment, subscribe. Before the video, after the video, it does not matter. Excuse me. Like I said, today we're going to make an apple pecan chicken salad. It's quite easy. It's about has 6 ingredients minus the couple of seasonings. Okay, so we have for our ingredients over here. I have my 1/3 cup of chopped pecans. You can buy all of these at your local grocery store. I have my 1/2 cup of chopped celery. This is already prepared here. I have my 1 cup of diced apples. I have about 3/4 cup to a cup of grapes, red grapes. Those are just cut in half. I have 1 cup of mayonnaise and about 1.5 cups of cooked chicken. That is just red meat. You could buy the chicken meat at your local grocery store. You could buy the raw chicken and cook it yourself, or you can buy the packaged chicken. It does not matter. All right. So this is a quick and simple, easy recipe. Again, so we're going to go ahead and start with the ingredients. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to dump my chicken right here in the bowl. When you prepare this, this is less than a 30-minute meal. Not even. It should take you a total of 15 minutes. All right. And really you're just going to dump everything in. So you have to be, there's no special technique with that. I have my apples. I place that right here. My celery, my pecans. And again, this is a great snack to have for summer picnics, parties, springtime, or just at home with whatever that is that you want. And also, I'm going to lastly, I'm going to add in my mayo. All right. So, 1 quick second here. Take my spoon out. I'm going to grab my spatula. And I'm just put that right in like so. You can use regular mayo, low-fat mayo. It does not matter. Whatever it is that you prefer. All right. Okay. Once I have that in, I'm just going to add in a couple of cranks of salt. I'm using sea salt. Just a little bit, not too much. Because when you're using mayo, it already has a high content of salt. All right. And if you already cooked your chicken, the only thing that you have to add is a little salt and a little pepper. It goes a long way. Okay. About a teaspoon of course, black pepper. And me, personally, I like to add just a couple of dashes of paprika. Okay. Now, I have this half a lemon here. I'm just going to give just a small squeeze. You're like, why the lemon? Well, I have some diced apples in here. And if you don't want your apples to brown in the process, you want to add a little bit of lemon. It preserves the color, okay? And that goes for pretty much about everything. You're going to give this a good stir just until it's fully incorporated. And honestly, because all of these ingredients are chilled, you can go ahead and serve this right away. Or you can mix this, put it in the fridge, cover it, let it sit for about half an hour to as long as you like, and you can serve it whenever you want to. That's the good thing about this chicken salad. It's coarse, it has a lot of texture, it's chewy, it's good, it's salty, it's a little bit sweet. Everything balances it out. Has a little spice, it's tart, it has a little crunch with the pecans. And you may be like, well, I don't really eat chicken salad or anything like that. I promise you, it is delicious. Okay? This isn't something that's going to be like super pretty, anything like that. It's chicken salad, right? We're not getting picky here, guys. You can eat this on crackers, bread, whatever, what have you. So there it is. There's my apple pecan chicken salad. And that is your finished product, okay? Less than a 10-minute preparation meal. 10 to 15 minutes, that's all you need. This is Chef Ja, future chefs of the Twin Cities. My apple pecan chicken salad. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you. You're tuning out for the night. Take care.